two identical coils P and Q, each of radius r, are lying in the perpendicular planes such that they have a common center. Find the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field at the common center when they carry currents equal to I and under root 3I respectively. Okay, here they are going to given here two coils. One is in the vertical direction, that is name is Q, and one more it is in the horizontal direction, it is moving in this direction, the name is P. The horizontal direction current they are given it is I, and the vertical direction current they are given it is under root 3I. Okay, we need to find the magnetic field. Okay, first if you see the diagram, if I am going to draw the diagram here, if I draw the diagram here, that means for example the P force it is acting like this, then and the Q force it is acting like this, and the resultant will be like this. The resultant will be moving like this. Okay, the resultant will be like this. So this is, I call it the BP and BQ. Okay, BP, BQ in terms of vector, BP vector and BQ vector. Okay, this angle is nothing but theta. Theta is the angle. Okay, and the resultant is B vector. Vector B is the resultant vector. Then magnetic field at the center is given by, we know that B is equal to mu naught into I divided by 2 times R. Okay, and in direction of P direction, then it becomes BP is equal to mu naught into I divided by 2 times of R. Current they are given it is I only. In terms of Q, that is BQ is equal to mu naught, current is under root of 3 times I divided by 2 times of R. Resultant vector B is equal to under root of BP square plus BQ square. Substitute the values, we will get B is equal to under root of mu naught I divided by 2 times of R whole square plus mu naught I under root of 3I divided by 2R whole square. This is full under root. Then B is equal to, if I take the common, mu naught I divided by 2R, then this becomes under root of 1 plus under root of 3 whole square. This is under root. Then square under root will get cancelled. Then this becomes mu naught I divided by 2 times of R. Under root of 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Under root of 4 is nothing but 2. And these two will get cancelled. Then the resultant vector P is equal to mu naught I divided by R. This is the magnitude. And they are also asking the direction. Then the direction that is tan theta. Direction is tan theta is equal to BP divided by BQ. Then BP is mu naught I divided by 2 times of R whole divided by mu naught under root of 3I divided by 2 times of R. Mu naught 2r, 2r, I will get cancelled. Then tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, which is nothing but 30 degree. This is the direction.